Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Education Hub. In this video, I am going to discuss the part 1 of September current affair. Okay, and this part will include the current affair for the month of September. Means it will be covering first week. Okay, 1st September to 7th September, and moreover, from that onwards, the video will be coming on daily basis. Okay. So, starting from the question one, study at NASA, an asteroid spotted on collision to Earth can come near about to Earth 2nd of November 2020. So, it is expected that it will come near about to Earth on this date, and this study has been given by the NASA. NASA full form is National Aeronautic Space Administration. It is a space agency of America. India Space Agency is ISRO. Okay, and Dr. K. Sivan is the chairman of ISRO. And ISRO headquarters is in Bangalore. So Bangalore is also known as Science City. So Bangalore and Bangalore are the same. Okay. So the name of the asteroid is 2018 VP. Okay. This is the name. And the first discovered parameter observer at California. So it was first discovered in the California. Which institute identified and awarded with the Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar 2020 award. So it is by the Army Sport Institute, and by whom? It is by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport. Okay, moving forward. Prime Minister flag of Vande Bharat first run from route of Delhi to which city? It will from connecting from Delhi to Banarasi, also called Banaras and also known as Kashi. Okay, Kashi, Banaras, Banarsi are the same name, and this route will be from Banarsi to Delhi and Delhi to Banarsi. Okay, Vande Bharat, also known as Train 18, and the chairman for the railway is Vinod Kumar Yadav. Mr. V.K. Yadav is the current chairman. He is also the first CEO of railway. Okay, first CEO and current chairman. And one more train I have remembered that one more train called Mahaman Express. Okay, it connect the same route from Delhi to Varanasi. And why the Mahaman Express? Because Mahaman Express is given on the name of Madan Mohan Malviya. Okay, he was the founder of Banaras Hindu University in Varanasi. Madan Mohan Malviya, along with the Any Besant, they founded this university, prestigious institution, which app developed by National Highway Authority of India for green highway across country. So, National Highway Authority of India, the body comes under the Ministry of Road and Transport, and the chairman for National Highway Authority of India is S.S. Sandhu, Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, and the app they are referring is Hari Path. Hari Path. Hari means green and path is the way. Okay, so from the question itself you can answer it. Which floating retail store to be opened in Singapore by which brand? So it is by Apple. DRDO chief got 2-year extension on his current post. So DRDO chief is G Satish Reddy. Okay, and the DRDO defense it's come under the defense ministry headed by defense minister called Rajnath Singh. Okay, he is serving as the defense minister. Okay, Republican Nation Convention nominates whom as the president candidate for the election of US. So who will be nominated is Donald J. Trump. Donald J. Trump. Which country declares WHO polio free? Okay, it is Africa. Polio free nation. Which railway station has introduced unique concept of baggage sanitization and wrapping? So they started the sanitization process at railway stations, and this is Ahmedabad railway station, which is in Gujarat. India first bulletin index called Bull Index Okay, launched by which commodity exchange? So it has been launched by MCX, that is Multi Commodity Exchange of India. SBI General Insurance launched a unique gift of personal accident policy called what? So it is Shagun. Shagun, and in English we call it as gift and insurance. Gift and insurance. China launches satellite for Earth observation called what? So you have to name the satellite. It is Gafen 9. So remember the name of the satellite and the name of the country. A council constituted by National Council of Transgender Person under Protection of Right Act 2019 chaired by whom? So this council is chaired by Minister of Social Justice, and who is he? Currently holding the position is T.H. Gehlot. Tawar Chand Gehlot is the current Minister of Social Justice, and the other member of this committee will be other ministry members. Means Home Minister, Defense Minister, they will part of this ministry, but chaired by only T.H. Gehlot. Longest river ropeway inaugurated in which city? So it is inaugurated in the Guwahati, and it will connect Guwahati to North Guwahati. Okay, main Guwahati to north region of the Guwahati. This rope will be going to connect, and earlier 1 year back I have learned that Chitrakut also launched a ropeway. First female golfer of Germany to capture major title winning Women's British Open in Scotland. So she won the British Open, and what's her name is Sofia Popov. Okay, and remember Sharmila Nicolette? She is the Indian golfer, woman golfer, and she is from Bangalore. A state which has launched a scheme for promotion intensive of aquaculture through biofuel technology. So the state is Odisha. The state of Odisha has launched it, and governor of the Odisha is Ganeshi Lal, and chief minister is Naveen Patnaik. First, which device park was built in UP? So you have to name the device park. It is medical device park. Okay, for the medical purpose, for the medical practitioners, that is doctors and the health workers. And where they in UP? It is in Noida. Noida, Gautam Buddha Nagar district. Niti Aayog prepare expert index. What it is about? So what the index is about? It is for the government policy, regulation and framework. Okay. And Niti Aayog, chaired by the Prime Minister, CEO, and Vice Chairman. So CEO is Amitabh Kant, and the Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar. Who won mental calculation at Framework Mind Sports Olympiad? So it is won by the Neelkant Prakash. Neelkant Prakash. Earlier question. Neelkant Prakash is a mathematics student and brilliant student, and he is the fastest human computer. He is regarded as the fastest human computer. Who is conferred the Arjun Award for Equestrian Sport? So he has been given to Subedar Ajay Sawant. Ajay Anand Sawant. Manipur State Health and Family Welfare Minister LJ Singh launched which platform? So he has launched a platform known as eSanjeevani, and it's a OPD platform which has been launched by the state health and family welfare minister. IIT Alumni Council signed agreement with Rusoft to transfer key tech from Russia to build world's largest and fastest hybrid computer. In which country? So they have signed with Russia and to build this computer in India. What first ever $200 billionaire is whom? So you can guess the answer is only Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. Which of the following court will re-examine its 2004 judgment based on the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe cannot be classified further on the basis of reservation? So earlier this court has given the judgment and now it will going to re-examine. So the court has the power to re-examine their judgment and to make the correction in their judgment. Okay, so it will be going to take place in Supreme Court, the apex court. Name the first player to play Caribbean Premier League. CPL is the abbreviation of it, and the first player is sprinter Praveen Tambe. Which state topped the list of Mudra loan scheme beneficiaries? So the name of the state is Tamil Nadu, and it topped the matlab first position has been acquired by the state of Tamil Nadu, followed by the state of West Bengal, okay, WB, and then Karnataka. So first, second, and third. Who won the 2020 International Booker Prize? So it has been won by Marike Lucas, and from which book? For which book he has won? The book name is The Discomfort of Evening. The Discomfort of Evening. Remember the book name and the person name, and also remember that he is the youngest person to won the award. First country to win status of the safe for tourism resilient seal. So which country became the first country? It is Kenya. Okay, Kenya capital is Nairobi, and he had won. This country has won it by global body rebuilding travel. Okay, a parachutist complete world first jump from solar powered aircraft after plane soared at 5,000 feet in which country? So he has jumped from 500 feet. Okay, so it takes place in Switzerland and in part of western Switzerland. Okay, western part of Switzerland. Name the first bank which announced introduction of usage satellites data imagery from Earth to access credit worth of customer. So the name of the bank is ICICI Bank, and remember the MD and CEO of ICICI? MD and CEO is Sandeep Bakshi. Okay, Sandeep Bakshi, and the chairman is GC Chaturvedi. GC Chaturvedi. European Champion League associated with which sport? So which sport come under this? It is football. Archaeological Survey of India announced 7 new circles of which ministry? So they have now announced 7 new circles of Ministry of Culture. Okay. And who is minister? Is P.S. Patel. Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment launched a toll-free helpline called what? So the name of the helpline is Kiran. Kiran. And what is it about? To enable access to mental health. Name India's first multi-wavelength satellite detected extreme ultraviolet light from the galaxy which is 903 million away from Earth. So the name of the satellite is Astro Satellite. The options clearly are not given in this question, but none other than you can imagine the answer from the questions given. Motor vehicle documents remain valid till which date? So the date has been confirmed, and the new date which is given is the 31st of December. Okay, this December, and it is given by the Ministry of Road and Transport, Highways, and the minister is Nitin Gadkari. So, which cricketer induced in ICC Hall of Fame is R? So, it's Jack Callis, Liza Stateker, and Zahir Abbas. So, all of the three answer is D. All of the above. So, all three of them are induced in the ICC Hall of Fame. Can you tell the countries from these cricketer belong to? See, Jack Collins belong to the country of South Africa. Okay, and Zahir Abbas, we all know that he is a Pakistani cricketer. And what about the Liza? It's Australian captain. Okay. Kerala became the first state to set up the India Witch Center with United Nations Sustainable Development Goal. So which center will be going to set up is WTC. What it is, a full form of this abbreviation is Women's Trade Center. Okay, and WHO, Health Organization. The center for WHO headquarter is in Geneva, and UNDP, United Nations Development Program, the headquarter is in New York. Okay. Remember one more headquarter, United Nations Environment Program, UNEP. Please don't confuse from EP to DP. DP is in New York and UNEP is in Nairobi. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya. So ultimately it comes in the Kenya. Who is World War II spy honored the Blue Memorial Plate in central London. So she is Noor Inayat Khan, an Indian origin woman. India elected as non-permanent member of the year term beginning date 1st April 2020 of which council is United Nations Security Council. Okay. State Bank of India government global recognition for HR initiative which over course 1.5 year touched 2.4 lakh employees. The name of the initiative is what? So the name of the initiative is Nai Disha initiative, and Nai means new and Disha means the way. Okay, the option D option has not been recognized. Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister of India, visited Russia for the first which defense meeting? Okay, is SCEO. Okay, Shanghai Cooperation Organization meeting, and Asia first lung transplant on COVID-19 patient performed in which city? So it has been performed by in Chennai. Rank of India in terms of average wage per month according to the Pecodi.com. So India has been ranked at which spot? India has been ranked at the spot of 72, and the first position is acquired by Switzerland. Satyendra Lohia is the first Divyang Indian sportsperson of the country to honor with which award? So recently he got which award? He has got Tenzing Norgay Adventure Award. Jammu and Kashmir Administration Council, which under chairmanship of Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha got approved to establish what? So they will be establishing SCERT. Okay, and Manoj Sinha is the new governor of Jammu Kashmir, Lieutenant Governor, and earlier to him G.C. Murmu acquired the position. Okay, State Council of Education, Research and Training. Joint winner of Fight Chess Olympic. So India along with Russia emerged as winner, and Fight, the headquarter for it is in Lausanne, and the full form abbreviation of this abbreviation is in other language. Okay, so it's not in the English language, but in English we called it as International Chess Association. Okay, ICA. Who is becoming the next chairman of State Bank of India? So who will be becoming the next chairman uh, is Dinesh Kumar Khare. Okay, he will be becoming the next chairman, and Arundhati Bhattacharya. She was the first chairman of State Bank of India, woman category. Okay, she was the first woman chairman in State Bank of India, and who is Rajneesh Kumar. He is associated with the State Bank of India, but what position he is acquiring right now? Write down in comment section, and the approval has been given by the BBB Bank Board Bureau. In Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir, Police, Public Order, and All India Services and Anti-Corruption fall under preview of whom? So it will be fall under preview of Lieutenant Governor. Currently, Manoj Sinha is acquiring the place, and it is according to the rules of the Home Ministry. So the Home Ministry formed these rules. Okay. Prime Minister greeted nation on Nokai festival celebrated in which state? So Nokai festival is based on the Harvest festival, and it took place in the state of Odisha. Saudi Arabia cancelled deal to build for oil refinery and petrochemical complex in which country? So they have cancelled a deal to build it in China, and by the state oil company, and what is the name is Aramco. Name the country which granted approval to abolish the 19th amendment of the constitution to replace with the 20th amendment. So they will replacing the amendment, and the country name is Sri Lanka. Which of the following set up an expert panel review laboratory charter and working reliant in defense sector in top priority for the government? So it's DRDO, okay, and the G Satish Reddy is the chairman of DRDO, and ISRO chairman is K Sivan, okay, and who is the chairman of BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center? It is chaired by A.K. Mohate, and the headquarters of BARC is in Mumbai. Okay. National Sports Day is observed on which day? So it is observed on 29th of August, and why? It is hockey wizard player, okay, and Dhyan Chand, okay. On account of him only, we observe the National Sports Day. First marine ambulance acquired by State Fishery Department inaugurated in as okay. So first marine ambulance, the name is Pratiksha. Pratiksha. Shinzo Abe resigned from the post of the Prime Minister. He was the former Prime Minister of which country? So this is totally ironic that he resigned from his post and he was the former Prime Minister holding the Prime Minister charge of Japan. Tokyo is the capital. Right. Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad inaugurated Next Generation Startup Challenge consists to further boost startup and software product with special focus on town of the country. So what is the name? The name is Chunauti, and Ravi Shankar Prasad is the Minister of Law and Justice with IT and Communication as the additional charge. Defense Minister will host next edition of Aero India, Asia largest aerospace exhibition in which city? So it will be hosted in the Bangalore, IT city. Bangalore. Name country dominant place in global offshore wind market in first half 2020. So it is UK. Okay. First bowler to take 500 T20 wickets. So he is Javin Bravo. Okay, he is from West Indies and he is a West Indies all-rounder. If the question asks who is the fastest bowler to take 600 international test wicket recently, it's also the current affair of the month of September and I will be including in the later videos. Okay, so the answer is James Anderson. James Anderson, and he scored this in match in England versus Park. Okay, so he is an Englishman cricketer. And for first part, and kindly like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Thanks for listening this video. Thank you all.